Okay, let's go over the process for helping to create the August 17th in-service. We have in our SC Star shared drive a Google Sheet called SY21 Technology Training To-Do List. So open that up and go to the August 17th training for teachers. And what you'll see here is a column for assigned. These are the topic tasks that we came up with when we had our meeting. So what you can do is just go through this this list here, find a topic that you would like to create the training materials for that topic, and just type your name in there. Only pick up to 3, okay? Pick at most your top 3. If you would like to pick more than 3, or if you would feel comfortable doing more than 3, what you can do is go over to the backup column over here and indicate, okay, you know what, if somebody doesn't pick this, I can do that, and you just type your name in there. And so that way we know, let's say nobody selects the SchoolWire's teacher page requirement for next year. Nobody does it. And so what we'll do is I'll take a look at anybody that's selected that for the backup and see if they'd be comfortable making that material as well. So that's step 1. That's how you sign up to do particular materials. Step 2 would be, where do you actually share that information? And it's in the technology training SOI start of year, and you create those, you put those materials in this Google Classroom under the appropriate topic. And so that's step 2. All right, so step 3 is you obviously have to go and create that material and enter it there. And then step 4 is you need to let me know when you're working on it and how long you're working on it, so that way I can process your hours. So in order to do that, we have an in-service prep hours Google form, and I'll share all the links with you guys via email. Go to the name dropdown, select your name, select the time that you started, and then select how long you were working, and then what you're doing. So were you hosting a support session? If you were, just click that. It'd be nice to have a little description of, you know, what you did while you were hosting the support session, or maybe it was outside of those support session hours. Click preparing training materials, describe the training materials that you made. I would like to note, if you're on a support session time period and there aren't any questions for you, it's not like because the form's written this way that you can't type in the activity. I was, while I was waiting, I was creating training materials. So you do have that flexibility. When you click submit, a copy of your response will be emailed to your sullivanschools.net account. You do need to be logged in to your sullivanschools.net account to fill out this form. But those are that's the process for signing up to take care of topics for training for 2 weeks from now. Showed you where you go to put your finished product, and then finally filling out your hours for support. So if you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you.